We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the upgraded Fidget Toys Adult by WexV. This kinetic spinning desk toy has been praised for its unique design and optical illusion effects, but it also comes with some mixed feedback. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what people love and dislike about this intriguing gadget. Starting with the design, this desk toy stands out due to its hanging ball feature, which can be removed from its spiral cage or placed back inside. The rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance, making it look more like a piece of art than a typical fidget spinner. Users have consistently noted the fine workmanship of this product. The solid aluminum spiral cage and base are well machined, with smooth edges and an even finish. The chrome ball itself is highly reflective, contributing to the illusion effect that many find mesmerizing. When it comes to functionality, the toy is simple yet captivating. You place it on any flat surface, whether it's your desk, hand, or even the floor, and give it a gentle spin. It rotates smoothly for an impressive duration of 150 to 300 seconds under optimal conditions. The uninterrupted spiral rotation creates an optical illusion where the ball appears to float or rise within the spinning frame, which many users describe as hypnotic and relaxing. This makes it an excellent choice for relieving stress during work hours or brainstorming sessions. Those with ADHD have noted that this toy helps them focus by keeping their hands occupied, making it a practical tool for concentration in professional settings. However, not all feedback is glowing. Some users have pointed out that while the spinner operates quietly and smoothly, there is occasionally a slight wobble during rotation. This detracts from the visual effect for some, especially given that creating a seamless optical illusion is its primary function. The wobble seems to stem from the physics of its design rather than a manufacturing defect, but it's worth noting for those seeking perfection in their desk toys. Another common critique revolves around its price point. At approximately $20 at the time of writing, some feel that it's slightly overpriced for what is essentially a decorative fidget spinner. While the materials and craftsmanship justify the cost to some extent, users frequently praise its hefty weight and high-quality metal construction. Others believe there are similar products on the market that offer more functionality or portability for less money. Despite these drawbacks, many users appreciate its aesthetic appeal. The spinner doubles as a classy desk ornament that blends seamlessly into professional environments. Its sleek design and mesmerizing spinning effect make it a great conversation starter or gift for colleagues and friends who enjoy unique gadgets. It's also worth mentioning that initial marketing materials labeled this product as gravity-defying, which led some buyers to expect magnetic suspension akin to other high-tech decorations. However, this was later clarified as being purely an illusion created by its reflective surfaces and spinning motion. Most users appreciated the correction but felt slightly misled by the original description. In summary, the upgraded Fidget Toys Adult by WexV offers a blend of artistry and functionality that appeals to many users looking for stress relief or an elegant desk accessory. Its high-quality materials and smooth spinning mechanism are definite highlights, but occasional wobbling and its relatively high price may deter some buyers. If you're someone who enjoys fidget toys or optical illusions, or if you're looking for a unique gift, this could be worth considering despite its minor flaws. If you've tried this product yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback can help others decide whether this kinetic desk toy is right for them.